Hi guys, DPP's Palmer here, DPP coming to you live. And I want to show something to you guys. This is all new. This is new to me. It's new to Scentsy. I'm so excited about it, and I am going to open it up in front of you. This is the first time I've seen this box, and it'll be the first time you see the box. This will be the first time you'll see the contents of the box. I'm like really excited about this. So here goes, guys. This is called the Scentsy Whiff Box. So if you guys know anything about subscription boxes, that's what this is. This is all new to Scentsy. So for those of you who enjoy products that you use on a regular basis, you can totally get this delivered to your door automatically every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. So let's see what's on the inside of this. This is pretty interesting. And look at the box. Isn't the box really nice and colorful? And I haven't even had a chance to read everything, but it is like pretty cool. It's called a Scentsy Whiff Box. So let's open it up and see what's on the inside of it. Oh boy, that is so nice. Look at this. It says Scentsy Whiff Box, scent with love. Okay, happy whiffing is what it says. Pretty happy whiffing is what it says. And look at here, it's got packaged in purple. And guess what? Of course, you know it smells good. So let's see what's on the inside of this box. Okay, let's see. I like the way they packaged it. Once again, take a look to see how they packaged this. It's really nice. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, first of all, look at this. It's a little, it has love all over it. Whiff Box, Scentsy Whiff Box. And on the flip side of it, it tells you, it says in here, Scentsy Whiff Box, we are excited to offer you a new way to experience Scentsy every month, brimming with new scents and fun surprises. Whiff Box is designed to delight. Thank you for your purchase. Live, love, whiff. Heidi Thompson, the president. This is like so awesome. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag Scentsy Whiffing. I'm gonna have to go back and do the hashtag on that. So that, yeah, that is awesome. Woo! Okay, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, look at the inside of the box. Look at how it's packaged. Isn't that neat? And these are things that people use daily. Okay, so let's start out with this one. This is really brand new, guys. I got a bathroom cleaner. This is new to Scentsy. This is a bathroom cleaner, perfect for me to use to clean my shower and my bathtub. And I like this little packaging too. It's sealed pretty. You don't have to worry about it spilling because they properly sealed this, so it won't spill in shipping. Love that. Then, you know, here's the scent for the car. You know, you got to have your car smelling good, so that came in here. Okay, then what is this? Oh, hand soap. And this is called Go-Go Mango Hand Soap. So we're all washing our hands. So this is coming inside the package too. Guys, everything in this package is a surprise. You don't know what's going to come in it, but you know it's going to be something that you can use. Okay, and this is a bath bomb. OMG, I cannot wait to use this. I haven't used this one. It's called Blue Grotto. It's all new, but I love bath bombs, but I haven't used this particular one. Okay, now let's see. Now, one thing about Scentsy, they protect our wax bars when it's heated. In this area where I am is down the south. So they make sure that the bars will not melt. So I'm going to have to open this up. See what's on the inside. I'm sure it's bars because they want to make sure it doesn't melt. Thank God for that. And when I say bars, I'm talking about wax bars. Yes, that's what it is. They put this package in here. It's like an ice package, so they make sure it doesn't melt. That is, I love, love, love it. Oh, this is neat. Okay, got a Scentsy bar, and this is called Amber Hollow. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, guys, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, God. Some more scent samples in here. Okay, I have, let's see. Porch. I can't even talk, can't see. Pumpkin. Porch pumpkin is in here. This is so neat. This is like the new packaging. I haven't seen this before. And then this is, need my glasses. Butter pecan. That is like, oh, can't smell through here, but look at the little packaging, guys. These are the little samples that they gave us. Lavender cotton. These are new fragrances, but look at the little containers. So neat. So it's really nice the way they package this. But guys, I'm like so excited. Oh, in the box. Oh my gosh. You know, you can reuse this box or whatever. But I just want you guys to see what's in here. I can throw that away now. I just want you guys, and you know what? I can reuse this for something else. But I just want you guys to see all the awesome things that's coming inside this whiff box. So next month, when I open the whiff box, it'll be something totally different. So you guys can totally subscribe to this, and there are ways that you can do it monthly, every 2 months, or every 3 months. And there are ways that you can get it at a reduced shipping cost or no shipping cost. Please send me a message. I can tell you how you can do this, but this is like so nice. Who in the world has time to go to the store? Nobody's got time to go to the store when you can subscribe to whiff boxes. Yeah. Take care, guys. Please like and share my video. Tag somebody, because these are like awesome. And this is like brand new, guys, to Scentsy. So please share my video, guys. Take care. Love you guys. Great day. Bye.